When a guest arrives at the Premier Mill Hotel, they feel they've entered into a different world, a sense of an era that's long gone, and that's the magic of it. Hi, I'm Nigel, one of the proud owners of the Premier Mill Hotel in Katanning. Katanning is special because it really is the gateway town, the place where you can build a base camp to the incredible Great Southern region. A remarkable building, the Premier Mill Hotel started out in life in 1891 as a flour mill. And the hotel, from the minute you walk in, starts to connect you with that magic and that sense of history. A real gem of the Premier Mill Hotel is its subterranean bar located in the original machine room, deep in the bowels of the building. Every room is unique. Every room is connected with a part of the old industrial fabric. So you can come time and time again and get a different experience every time.